Hello, I am Erica Donis Tigora, a BSN 3C. Today we're going to perform the systemic blood circulation. The systemic blood circulation. The oxygenated blood enters in the right atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. Blood enters in the right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Blood exits right ventricle through pulmonary valve and enters in the pulmonary artery. The left and the right pulmonary arteries send blood to the lungs where gas exchange occur. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins and enters in the left atrium. Blood enters on the left atrium through the mitral valve. The blood exits left ventricle through aortic semilunar valve to enter aorta. Aorta, the largest artery, distributes the oxygenated blood throughout the body.